Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix Instagram story not showing or not working. So guys, when you open your Instagram and want to see any story or want to upload your story and the story section is not showing or story section is not working on Instagram, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, simply you need to open your settings in your phone, and guys, after this you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your phone. So guys, if already connected, then you need to click on Wi-Fi, and here is the option of forget. So guys, simply you need to click on forget this network, and guys, connected again with your phone. And guys, after doing this, if do not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. And the second method is simply you need to open your settings again, and guys, after this you need to scroll it down, and here is the option of app management. You need to click here and click on app list. And guys, after this here you need to find Instagram. So after finding, you need to click on Instagram. So guys, here is the option of Instagram. You need to click on it. And guys, after this here is the option of storage and cache. So guys, simply you need to click on it. And after this here is the option of clear cache and clear storage, and you need to click on OK. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. And the third method is you need to update your Instagram. So guys, how can you update? So guys, simply you need to open your Play Store. So guys, if you are using Android, then you need to open Play Store, and guys, if you are using iPhone, then you need to open App Store in that phone. So I am opening Play Store here, and guys, after this here you need to search Instagram. So guys, here you can see Instagram. I have searched already, therefore I have the option of Instagram. So guys, after you need to click on Instagram, and guys, here you can see the option of update. So guys, simply you need to update your Instagram. So guys, because of update, many features are not working on Instagram. So guys, after doing update, your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to see the story on Instagram. So guys, if still not fixed your problem and still not showing stories on Instagram, then guys, you need to open your Instagram app again. And guys, after opening it, simply you need to click on Instagram and click on your main profile. And guys, after this, click on three lines, and here is the option of settings and privacy. So guys, simply you need to click on it and scroll it down and click on help, and click on report a problem, and click on report a problem, and click on include and continue. And guys, here you need to write your problem that you have not seen the option of a story, and or you want to write that my story section is not working or not showing on Instagram. And guys, after writing your problem, simply you need to upload your screenshot in which you have not showing your story. And guys, after doing this, writing your problem and uploading your screenshot, simply you need to click on send. And after sending your problem, within a day your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to see the story on Instagram. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.